Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm JeaneeMari. Thanks for tuning in. I am going over the Coke and Dough foundation. This is a moisture foundation. I'm using number 113. And I'm also using the Shiseido brush. I don't know if you've seen this brush, but it's really kind of cool because it has this gel type of end that you can use with the concealer, and it feels like a finger. I don't know why you just don't use your finger, but I don't know. I got interested in the hype and I bought it, and it's nice. It's a really nice brush. But now it's very creamy. Again, this is color 113. It is a very creamy but light coverage foundation, which is what I like about it. It's not full coverage, but it is a bit blurring. But I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to just dab the brush onto my hand and go in lightly. And I like to just kind of dab in until I go ahead and blend. And oh my gosh, I love this foundation because it's smooth. It goes on evenly. And it's supple. It's not drying, and it's not crazy full coverage. And you can see that it's not going to penetrate my pores. And that's all I use, just that little bit. I'll go down on my neck. I love this color. This color is perfect on me. So that's it. Very pretty. It's not a glowy foundation, meaning it doesn't have the shimmer to it, but oh, my hair is crazy. But it is blurring in a moisturizing way. I just find that this foundation just works beautifully and perfect on mature skin. It's very pretty. Now I do also have the brightening powder. So this is the Mayfanchi brightening moisture powder. And this is in blurring beige. Again, great for mature skin because it's a moisturizing powder, and I don't like to use too much powder except for under my eyes as a concealer, but this powder I love. Every time I use it, I love it. With it, I mean, I'm using the Sonia Kashuk tapered powder brush, and I like this because it's very fluffy, but also a little dense. And I don't do a lot, but I'm just going to set my foundation, and you can already see it's brightening. It is brightening, but it doesn't dry my skin out. It still feels good and supple. I don't do a lot, just enough to do the job that I need, set the makeup, and it does brighten under the eyes. And that's it. Really quick, really easy, but really nice. Really works for mature skin. And again, I'm 59 years old, and I'm only going to give you what works for me anyway. And I do have mature skin. So, and I'm hoping that it'll work for you too if you try it. But anyway, I love Coke and Dough. I've only used the foundation and the powder. I haven't really ordered that much more. I'm only going to order what I use. But I will link everything below. But just to give you guys an idea. Now, of course, I've used this foundation before, and it's never sunk into my pores. It's always looked good, even 6 hours later, so I do really love it. I, again, use the light essence underneath. I don't do a heavy moisturizer underneath. And it just works nice for me because it's a moisturizing foundation, but it's really pretty. So anyway, guys, I just wanted to bring that to you. I hope you enjoyed my video, and please hit the subscribe button if you liked this video. Leave a comment below, hit the like button. Let me know what you think, and until next time, guys, I love you, and I will see you soon.
So, bye!